Samsung Notes just became available for any Windows PC. That means you don't have to install any weird applications like Galaxy Book, the .bat file, which I recommended before, but now we can easily install it natively on your system, including sync. You can take all your notes, you can draw, and if you have a touchpad, you can do whatever you want and whatever you prefer to do in Samsung Notes. So today we will download Samsung Notes from Microsoft Store in seconds, then sync your notes to your Samsung device, and fix any problems if the app won't launch, but it probably won't. Every single bug has been fixed, which means it should run on your device now, even if you don't own a Galaxy Book. Also, if you have a Windows 11 or 10 device, it's supported on both right now. All you gotta do is click on the Windows icon, and then right here, click on search. Type store and you will open the Microsoft Store by clicking on it. Then right now, go above here on the search bar and make sure you first get Samsung account. This way we can actually enable the sync features which are really required. Make sure you set up your Samsung account in this app, and after you have logged in, you will be able to enable sync on Samsung Notes. So right now the next step is to go above here again and then type Samsung Notes. Click on it and then make sure to download it for your system. Click here on open and it will now be running on your Windows device fully natively. Do know it is optimized for Samsung Galaxy Books, but other computers may have issues running it. That means it can be might be heavy or anything like that, but everything right here will work. Right here we have the notes. Hello there. We can easily edit it. We also have subscribe and everything works seamlessly. You can also import PDFs if you want, and everything right here, every single button will work. Left below settings, which means you can sync it with your Samsung Cloud for everything. Also create a password to lock your notes. Also a layout. You can change a lot of settings right here, like a lot. And you can see this app is fully natively working without any issues. Like I said, it will work on Windows 10 and 11. This will directly work. By the way, if something is not syncing, that means you gotta go to your Samsung phone, go to the settings, and then right there you have Samsung Cloud. Make sure to click on it, log out, and then log in again. It will sync those notes and then export them to your own computer. I mean sync, which means they both have the same notes. By the way, on this channel, I'm actually uploading more Samsung videos. If you're interested, please make sure to subscribe. It will be helping out us a lot. Also, if you search up Samsung Notes, I might be on the top results. Anto, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say that, and I'm not going to waste your time. So I wish you a very nice day. Goodbye.